Hello, it's been a while na nag live tayo sa YouTube channel ko. Nandito po tayo sa sa Ilocos Norte, sa bahay namin. Magpupuning tayo ng mulberry. Ito yung mulberry namin, oh. Yan, ito, yan. Ipropruning ko lang ito. Ipropruning lang natin. Hello live sa may YouTube channel ni MJ Taraon. Nandito ako kayo sa aking channel. Live po tayo dito sa aking garden. Ito yung mulberry plant namin. Magpupuling tayo para hello, kumusta? Hello, magpupuling tayo ng mulberry. Thank you. Dahon na olives na pwede gawin sa tea. Meron po tayong this is a mulberry tree. A Himalayan, Taiwan Himalayan long mulberry tree. My name, MJ. We need to remove the leaves so that it will bear fruits. Pruning. No, it's not a fruit, it's a tree. Long, Taiwan long mulberry. Sa may meron kaming dalawang klase ng mulberry. Tsaka sa varieties of mulberry. The white one and the shorter one is also white Himalayan mulberry. It's a white color mulberry. And this one is the red long mulberry. Longer than the native one. The leaves can be used as a tea. But I didn't want to try. Ikat mo na. Naka-live na day. Hello everyone. Ano tara di? Hello. Dapat ahap mo ang kasta. Ikat mo. Dagkalauna.
Tuglauna, kasta. Nagnat.
This is my sister.
Dapat hap mo lang ang yung nato mo lang.
Di ba dati bulong na kasta?
Ginatuwang kataan na.
Tea.
Ito.
It's a tea.
Mulberry tea.
Pero wala rin dehydrator. We don't have dehydrator machine to dry the leaves to make a tea. Ha?
Madam
Okay lang, mag-English pa ka rin daray na kagad ko. English ka. Yeah. And these are another mulberry tree. This white Himalayan mulberry tree also. But no need to remove the leaves. Same mulberry, but different varieties. No need to remove the leaves.
Ano yan man?
Okay.
So, bila aplak-lak.
Ijay. Awan lang ka tao. Yeah. Just a quick live. Because we need to do other works. Dalang pa kasi ta. about here in Ilocos Norte, our plants, planting materials. This can be planted cuttings, but the percentage of cutting these trees to propagate is around 5% only. Only marketed and grafted to propagate this kind of um, mulberry. Huh?
Mga 20 to 30% chance.
Awan, 10% lang, 10%.
Oy, ano lang, nakadap sila ganyan.
10%. Let's say 10% for cuttings to propagation. But marketed and grafted is 100%.
Kasi kumat mo na po sa ito.
Thank you guys for watching. Please visit my FB profile account and check it out. And check the cute planting material to propagate. Ah?
Insakta kasi yung schedule mo.
Ah?
Insakta kasi yung schedule mo.
Here. I have a fruiting mulberry. Here. This one. Matcha crack. Hindi ka taging bisa na yan.
Subtitle, please.
Subtitle please, this one. Fruiting mulberry.
Subtitle, please.
Yeah. This is longer than the native one.
Ano yun?
Here. See? Around this one size.
Hindi pinamayan namin ni Sir.
Small finger here. Yeah.
Ang pagkatapugan naman.
This one. The same this one. This is not for sale. The same one. See? Fruiting mulberry. Same one here. Yeah, yes. Yes. This one. So, this one we did to remove all the leaves.
Napa siya man paghamok pag dito po lang tapos ko ni
Hamo ka katong parada, hamo ka katon lang.
ang kas lang na nagbago data ng agpo.
Lamatan this one. The white mulberry also. But no need to remove the leaves. Just prune. Like the same with the red mulberry. If you remove the leaves, it will bear fruits.
Siklet pa lang nakatanin.
This one it will bear fruits voluntarily. The white mulberry. This one.
Bali mo katong katambutan na naman na yung hamo is talaga na.
to remove the leaves. And here are the yes, this one for propagation. Yes, thank you for watching. And here,
Ay, video?
hmm?
Tama ang lalagay.
Then I'll show you have lots of mulberry in the pot. This one, also this one. Plant here, mulberry, and this one here. It's also white mulberry, and we have a marketed, ready to for sale. This one. This one is marketed. So here are the marketed plant, and some have a flowers. They have fruits. Sorry for the noise. Here are the marketed one. It's 100%. And here, marketed. And we also have the cutting, just propagate with in the soil, just put in the soil. It's cutting like the other one, we cut it. I have also here. To there. And so thank you for watching, and see you in my next live. Thank you, Miss Eileen, for watching all the way here in Ilocos Norte, and also from very different, the white mulberry for propagation also, propagation material. Try to propagate because the white mulberry is so difficult to propagate by cuttings or marketed. 10% wait for like successful propagation. And we also have plants here. Yeah, we're selling plants also. Bougainvillea here. Here our bougainvillea is up for sale. Ito baga mo bougainvillea ko hang scarlatina in Ilocano, we call it scarlatina in Ilocano, but bougainvillea. Okay, bye bye, thank you for watching.